Hello, Three Little Words kids. It's time to play. Today, we're going to play with our colorful ramps and our cars. Look how beautiful our blue car is. Will it make it down that ramp? Let's give it a try. Put the blue car up here. Woo! Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! He did it! Our blue car made it. Vroom! Let's say goodbye to our little blue car. Bye-bye! How about now? Which car do you think comes next? It's the yellow car. What a beautiful car. Let's put our yellow car on the ramp. Let's put this yellow car up here. Do you think this car will make it? 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. He didn't make it. Should we try one more time? Huh? It didn't work again. What happened? Let's try again. 3, 2, 1. Fell again. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! We did it! The yellow car has now made it. Bye-bye! Look how beautiful our red car is. Do you think he'll be able to go down the ramp? Let's put the red car up right here. Whee! 3, 2, 1. Hooray! He did it! The red car made it down the ramp. Vroom! Let's say goodbye to the red car. Bye-bye! What color will the next car be? It's the green car. This is the green car. Let's put the green car up here on top of the ramp. Woo! Will he make it? 3, 2, 1. Yeah! He did it! We managed to get all the colorful cars down the colorful ramps. Shall we say goodbye to the green car? Bye-bye! And that was our game of colored cars and colored ramps. We'll be back with 3 Little Words time to play.
Hi little friend! Before watching our next video, subscribe to our channel and let's have fun together.